Good morning, YouTubers. Welcome to Bob's TR3 Restoration. This next segment is going to be on fitting the front apron to the fenders. This is not easy because there's a lot of variables that go along with this. You know, it has to fit to the fenders, and then the bonnet has to fit to the apron. So initially I started working on getting this fender fitted to it. And what had happened was there was damage here I didn't know about, and this was rolled over. So when I was trying to fit it up, I got a little carried away, and I wailed on this a little too much, and I really crushed it. And I thought, oh no, I've really messed this up. So how to fix it? What I came up with, I cut this flange off here, removed all of the spot welds, took that off of there, and then I was able to work the hammer and dolly through this area right here where it was rolled over and roll it back, and then reattach the flange to it, re-weld it, and by the grace of God, it actually fits up to the apron at the right curvature. So this is the front apron. It's in fairly good condition. It does have some rust damage to it, and I had to cut out this section right here, pretty nasty, and I was able to put the metal in a brake, bend it, and then I have a metal shrinker that I was able to shrink this metal right here to get this curvature. So I was able to do that, and I have this started to be welded into place. I have to finish the welds up, but that's the start on that. The next section right here, rotted out completely. There's also a cage nut that goes on there. So I have cut this out, and that's just about ready to be welded in here. I have a friend of mine that has a shop, a race shop, and I went over and talked to him, and he let me borrow his shrinker. I've never used one before in my life, but it really worked out pretty well. It's pretty easy. You put your metal in here, and you just work it along, and it ends up putting that curvature on the flange. So I got lucky again, I guess, because it came out pretty well. I'm now in the process of getting ready to weld this in place, finish up the welding here, and then I'll be moving on to the other side and getting ready to fit the other side to this fender. We'll see how it goes. It's a big learning curve, but I was ready to pull the hair out of my head the other day when I messed the fender up. Somehow I managed to get it right. Anyhow, I'll keep you updated as to how we're making out with getting this front apron on the TR3. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.